To be honest, I find it very tippy with the Euro pedal. Somehow I kept pulling it under, so I took my homemade storm pedal after that, and then I kept it upright. So practice, I think. Very difficult for me at this moment, but I keep practicing. Today I took it out in shallow waters, and I went over twice. So because it was shallow, I couldn't Eskimoteer it, well, roll it. But yeah, I went out and started again. So this was my maiden trip with the Kayak Angmakzalik. I'm portaging it back home. These are the last parts of my wandering walk, if you will, and I'm almost home. So thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and maybe till the next time. Bye bye.